Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 23585-16P-SM-865. Alright, this is your ST235 85R16 16-Ply heavy-duty trailer tire mounted on the silver mod wheel with the 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. So it's 8 lug, 6.5 bolt pattern, so 8 lugs, 6.5 being from center of one stud to center of the other stud straight across. It's the modular wheel, so it has holes in it, silver, powder coated. The wheel itself is rated at 4,080 pounds per wheel, and it comes with the steel valve stem, aired up, ready to go, 16-ply, as you can see right there. The capacity per tire is 4,540 pounds with 120 psi, so that's pretty heavy. It has the tread pattern of the ST202 and its speed rating of M, meaning it rated for 81 miles per hour. This particular tire is a Carraway brand. We've been selling these for quite a while and had a lot of luck out of them. They're very good tires. It has this nice highway tread pattern on it with a thick shoulder right here. A lot of people love them. Everybody loves this highway tread. It's a really heavy duty tire. Most companies only sell up to the 14-ply and the 16-inch, but we now are able to offer you the 16-inch and a 16-ply, so even better. The height of this tire is going to be 30 3/4 tall and 9 inches wide, so pretty close to 31 inches tall overall, 9-inch wide, and it is ready to go. And if you're looking for some heavy duty trailer tires, you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.